Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to open a game on second monitor on Steam. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the top of the Steam window, you will see a menu bar. Move your mouse over to the View option and click on it. A drop-down list will appear. From the list, select Big Picture Mode. This will launch a full-screen interface designed for controllers and TV screens. Once Big Picture Mode opens, look toward the bottom left of the screen. You will see the Steam menu icon. Click on it to open a new set of options. From here, click on the Settings button. Inside the Settings panel, take a look at the list on the left side. Scroll until you find the Display option and click on it. Now look for the option named Preferred Display. This option lets you choose which monitor your games will open on. Click on the drop-down menu next to Preferred Display. If you have more than one monitor connected to your computer, you will see a list of all available screens. In my case, I only have one monitor connected, so only one is shown. But if you have two or more monitors, you will see them listed here with their names or numbers. Click on the monitor that you want your games to open on. Once you select your preferred screen, Steam will use that monitor as the main display when you launch any game in Big Picture Mode. Thanks for watching.